if you said, I know there's a lots of people, oh, she get mad when about the words trust. I'm not mad. I just explain because some people not knowing the reality, what it happens, you you quickly believe those rumors that giving a wrong information that you think that they are right, right? Look at me. When the times that I got like another fake people, they turned me into bad. Even I'm a victim, but I'm not play a victim. Well, if you said that if you spreading to those people that don't trust the sweet skate, don't trust the Princess Anne, well, so what? There's nothing lost in me. The old friends that I had before in my old account in YouTube. I'm not ignorant in here in the YouTube. I'm old member in the YouTube. This is my second account that what I use now. Everybody knows that how I supported to anyone subscriber who support me, I support back. If you friend on me in good intention, I be more than that to you, right? If you fucking me, I'll be more fucking your bitch, right? A simple thing. If you fucking bitch, I fuck you bitch.